I'm Scott Wright. I am a mechanical / manufacturing engineer here at AJ Manufacturing. I do a lot of the special tooling, special machinery, robotic welding and stuff that we use here on our products. Today I'm going to talk about our new laser welding capabilities for our critical environment units if you order a all welded unit. We start with our already pre-welded plenum you see here behind me, and then we laser cut our collars depending on the diameter that's been ordered, and we bring them over here and roll them on this machine you see sitting next to me. Once that is done, we can now weld the seam of the collar together with the laser welder, and then place the collar and the plenum and weld the two together. Laser welding process allows us to fuse the metals together without having to add any wire or any filler to complete the weld. Because of the welding process, this speeds up our assembly, so we're really excited about this process. It gives us a better quality product and gets the product to the customer on time.